wanted to do a quick Walgreens haul at lunch. That's why I don't have my crown or anything like that, so bear with me. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if it is helpful for you. So this is my second transaction. I'll actually be posting this video first. The other transaction I will try to post tomorrow. They both went really well, so a couple hiccups that I had, unfortunately. Okay, so before we dive into the deals for the in-store video, make sure you guys bring the ad with you to the register, or you can clip this coupon in your account as well. This will give you the 10 times everyday points, which wound up giving me an additional 3,000 points at the end of this transaction. So make sure you guys bring this up. They're just gonna scan it, and then you guys will get the points at the end on your receipt. So let's go ahead and dive into the deals and check out the in-store video for all the different items we're going to be going over. Cleaning products, we have a great deal. These are 2 for $6. We're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of them. I'm gonna pick up one of these. Oh gosh, I totally did that, but that's okay because I'm buying it. So anyway, they're 2 for $6, and I'll show you the coupons here as well. Sorry, I'm all miscombobulated. Okay. So you can use a $1 off 1 coupon. So we're gonna use 2 of these that we printed from coupons.com. If you didn't get a chance to print them, we also have, oh my goodness, okay. We also have a $1 off 1 from the 11/3 newspaper insert, so you can use that as well. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the, oh my gosh, where are they? If they're out, I'm gonna literally have a conniption. Ah, here they are, okay. 2 for $6. I'm just grabbing bubbles. You can get any of these. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna grab, but 2 of those. Then you're gonna use this $1.50 off 2 bathroom cleaners, again from the 11/3 inserts, or there was a printable. I just lost my printable, so this is the one I'm gonna use. Then you're gonna submit it to thanksgathering.com, get a $5 Visa virtual gift card when you buy 4 participating products. So these do count, so that'll be a great deal. Deal, which I may not be able to take advantage of because they're totally out, but anything that's 4 for $8. So the Downy's included. This is the Tide Simply Liquid, Tide Simply Pods. They're out of those. Down here they have more of the Tide Simply liquid. So any of those products you can pick up 4 for $8. If you do get a Tide Simply Pods, I wish I had one to show you. We had some more up here that are not included. These Bounce are included as well, the 40 sheet, 4 for $8. So any 4 of those products. We do have a 50-cent off 1 of the Tide Simply digital, so you can use that. It'll make it just $1.88 for each item. So definitely stock up on some laundry this week. Fabuloso on sale, $1.99. We have a 50-cent digital, gonna make it just $1.49, so not too bad of a deal there. And then if we come down here, stocking up on all the cleaning supplies. Ajax, same thing, $1.99. We have a separate 50-cent off digital, so you guys can take advantage, get some good dish soap, and a lot of laundry care this week. Super excited about that. And this one is the 28 fluid ounce, so not bad. This week is spend 20, get 10,000 points. We do have an amazing digital coupon. If you guys already clipped it, it's $10 off of 2. Then they have a promotion for 10 times everyday points. So it's gonna wind up being a $2 moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab one of these at $9.99. Then I'm gonna grab one of the Venus. Let's see, where are you? Ah, up here, okay. Perfect, okay, I'm gonna grab one of these. It's $10.99. That way I can make sure that it hits that $20 threshold. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Extra smooth, it has 2 cartridges in it as well, so not bad there. Then we're gonna use that $10 off 2 digital coupon. We're gonna pay just 98 cents, or I'm sorry, that's not true. We're going to pay $10.98, get back a $10 in points, so the 10,000 points equals $10. Then we're gonna get back an additional 2,000 points for it being that promotion of 10 times everyday points when you spend $20. So it's gonna be a super hot deal for some razors. If you wanna get 2 Venus or 2 Gillette, you can mix and match based on what you guys are looking for. Here's another deal that you could take advantage of. So these bars right here are $5.99, buy one get one free. We also have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you scan it and make sure that it works for these bars. That would make it just 99 cents for 2 of them, so that would be awesome, especially if you're doing like a beauty bag or something. If you need some shampoo, conditioner, body wash, those are here as well. So like if you pick up 2 of these, that would be $9.99. Use the 5 off 2. Final cost is $4.99 or $2.50 each. So not bad at all for some Shea Moisture. Okay, so Halloween novelty and decor as well as candy is 70% off. So make sure you guys take a look at your stores. Depending on the store, depends on how much they're gonna have. So definitely some great deals. Okay, Maybelline this week is buy 2 participating products, get a $6 register reward. Nothing is tagged as far as what actually works for this deal. So the cheapest thing to do would be to grab 2 of these single eyeshadows at $3.39 each. Total would be $7.98. Use a $1 off 1 digital coupon from our inserts, our previous inserts. You're gonna pay $6.98 out of pocket and get back a $6 register reward. It makes them just 49 cents each, so really hot deal on some makeup. So this is my receipt. Let me just walk out where I'm at. Okay, so this is my receipt. Everything went well. The scrubbing bubbles, got 2 of the bathroom cleaners and 2 of the gels. Everything came off. For the laundry detergent deal, I wasn't able to get a Tide Simply Pod, which is what that 50% off coupon is for, because my store was completely out, because obviously I'm trying to take advantage of these deals on a Wednesday, which is why I wanted to post this as soon as I could so you guys can go to the store as soon as you can, especially if there's a super, super hot deal, because you want to try to take advantage of it before the shelves are cleared. So I got 2 of the Tide and then 2 of the Downy. There were no coupons on these. I didn't have any coupons. There is a 50% off coupon from the previous inserts, but I already used it. So the Gillette $10.99, the Venus $9.99, the Fabuloso, the Ajax. And then as far as the manufacturer coupons, the scrubbing bubbles came off. All the scrubbing bubbles came off. What's this $5? Oh, son of a nugget. That's what happened. How annoying. I'm gonna have to call customer service now. Didn't realize. This is why I try to write all my stuff down so I know exactly the prices. The reason why the price was so high is because only the $5 Gillette came off, not the $10 Gillette, which is the problem. So that cost me an additional $5. So I'll just have to call Walgreens and they will make sure that they give me those points back. And then I used 2 register rewards to bring down the price. I did wind up getting, if you look at the points, so they have the promotion for the 10 times everyday points. That's how I got the 13,000. 10,000 was from the Gillette, and then the 3,000, which is the equivalent of $3, is because of the 10 times everyday points. So not a bad deal there. The other booster would not combine with it. I had a Catalina for 2,000 points when you spend 15. It would not combine with the 10 times everyday points. So I'll have to do another transaction, which is fine. I plan on doing the laundry deal again and then the Gillette deal again. So other than that, if you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you check below. Okay, so that is everything. I wanted to make sure I could try to post this for you guys as soon as possible. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you next time.